Imagine a love so pure it knows no bounds or conditions. This is the agape love of Jesus. It's selfless, unconditional, and enduring. In this divine love, we find a sacred relationship that nurtures our souls and guides our journey of faith. Jesus' love isn't just a fleeting feeling, it's a profound commitment. His love wraps around us, lifting us up even in our darkest moments. It whispers to our hearts, reminding us that we are cherished just as we are. In his embrace, we discover our true identity and purpose. We're not defined by our mistakes or achievements, but by his everlasting love. So, if you ever wonder who you are or what you're worth, remember this: you are loved unconditionally by Jesus. And in his love, you will always find your true self. Let his agape love be your guiding light. Embrace it, live it, and share it with the world. Because in the end, it's love that defines us.